Okay, YouTube, friends, family. This is my new equipment that just came in. Just got it off the porch. I just cut the straps and the tape. And now we're finna do this open box. We're gonna see what's in this box. Wow. And it's my air compressor. It is my air compressor. Wow, I got it up in there. Wow, I mean they had it up in there. This thing here, probably shouldn't pick it up by this. I'm gonna pick it up out of here. I'm gonna try to anyway. Well, YouTube, hold on 1 second. Let me get this out of here. Okay, YouTube, I'm back at it. Had to get it out the package, and this is what it looked like. And this is the rest of the stuff that's in the box. The wheels, front legs. I'm gonna take this out this box. And wow, nice, very nice. There's your gauge.